Importing deals into Pipedrive is a streamlined process. Here's how to do it. Prepare your data. Ensure your deals data is organized in a CSV file. Each column should represent a field. Log into Pipedrive. Access your Pipedrive account using your credentials. Navigate to the Import section. On the left-hand menu, click on Deals to go to the Deals section. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Import Deals. Start the import process. Click the Import Data button and select From a Spreadsheet as the source. Upload your file. Upload your prepared CSV file. Drag and drop the file into the designated area or click to browse your computer. Map fields. Pipedrive will attempt to automatically map your CSV columns to the corresponding Pipedrive fields. Review and adjust these mappings as necessary. Ensure fields like deal title, value, stage, and others are correctly mapped. Review data. Preview your data to ensure everything is correctly mapped and formatted. Pipedrive will show a sample of the imported data. Import. Click the Start Import button to begin the process. Pipedrive will import the deals and notify you once the process is complete. Verify import. Once the import is complete, review your deals in the Deals section to ensure all data has been imported correctly. Adjust and customize. Update any additional fields, assign deals to team members, and adjust stages as needed to reflect your sales process accurately.